welcome to this Amcrest video tutorial. In this video, we will show you how to install a new internal hard drive on your Amcrest 960H DVR system. This installation method can also be used to replace the hard drive on your Amcrest DVR and NVR systems. Before we begin, please ensure you have the following items: a screwdriver or power drill available for use, as well as the new internal hard drive you plan to install. In this example, we will be installing a Western Digital 1TB hard drive. Please note, Amcrest DVR units do not support hard drives exceeding 4 TB. In order to ensure if your hard drive is compatible with our DVR systems, please refer to the link in the video description. Now let's get started. First, unplug all cables from your device. This includes the power cable. In order to access the original internal hard drive, you will need to then remove the top plate from the DVR unit. Please note there are 5 screws in place. 2 are located on the right and left side of the DVR unit, and 1 on the back. With a screwdriver or power drill, remove the screws from the DVR unit. In this example, we will use a power drill. Then, slide the plate back and lift it to remove it from the DVR unit. Now you will be able to see your internal hard drive. Before we install the new hard drive, we will need to uninstall the original hard drive. In order to do so, unplug the data and power cables from the internal hard drive. Then, flip the DVR unit as shown here. Be sure to use your hand to support the internal hard drive from behind while holding up the unit. Here you will see 4 screws used to hold the internal hard drive in place. Loosen these screws. Then, flip the DVR unit back around. Slide the internal hard drive to the right, then lift it to remove it from the DVR unit. Place the internal hard drive down with the component side facing up. Now we will show you how to install the new internal hard drive. Before you insert the internal hard drive into the DVR unit, insert the screws into the screw holes 1/3 of the way. We recommend you use either your hand or a screwdriver. Be sure not to tighten them yet, as they will need to remain loose to be able to slide the hard drive back into the DVR unit. Now, align the screws on the internal hard drive with the slots on the DVR unit. Please note the position of the slots will vary upon the physical size of the internal hard drive. Also ensure the power and data connector side is facing towards the power and data connector plugs. Once the screws are aligned, slide the hard drive into place. Then, flip the DVR unit and tighten the screw holes. Again, use your hand to support the internal hard drive from behind while holding up the unit. When you are finished, flip the DVR unit back around. Plug in the power and data connectors. Now we need to ensure if the new internal hard drive has been successfully installed into the DVR unit. In order to do so, plug in the power adapter and a VGA or HDMI cable into your unit. On the Live View screen, navigate to the main menu. Right-click the mouse and click on the menu button located at the bottom left corner. Log in with your credentials. In the main menu, click on the Device tab. Here you will see the capacity and free space currently available for storage on your new internal hard drive. If it appears to be 0, then please click on the checkbox for the hard drive. Then, click on the Initialize button. A message will appear to warn you that all data will be cleared if continued. Click the OK button. The hard drive will begin to format. Once it is complete, the capacity and free space for your hard drive will populate on the screen. You have now successfully installed your new internal hard drive. The last step is to assemble the plate back onto the DVR unit. First, unplug the cables from the unit. Then, insert the plate on the top of the unit. Then, use a screwdriver or power drill to insert and tighten the screws. And that's all there is to it. Thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our other videos from Amcrest Technologies.